Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, if the screen does not respond to your touches and you actually cannot do anything. You can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device right here, and press it long enough until we will see the black screen, the developer's logo, and the device will be restarted. So let's try to do it. Let me press this button. And as you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot really tap on it. So keep pressing the power button. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is good. I felt the vibration. I can release the finger now. We've got the developer's logo, which means that in a second our device will be turned on and restarted completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.